Ordering a pizza pizza asterisk. Thank you for calling Pizza Ease. This is Kawar. How can I help you? Hi Kawar. I'd like to place an order for delivery please. Sure, I can help you with that. What would you like to order today? Can I get a large pepperoni pizza and an order of garlic knots? Okay. One large pepperoni pizza and an order of garlic knots. Will that be all for your order today? Yes, that's everything. Perfect. Can I get your name and address for delivery? It's Sarah Mubashir. The address is 123 Main Street, F.5. Thanks Sarah Mubashir. Our total today is $17.99 and we estimate the delivery time to be around 30 minutes. Does that work for you? Yes, that works. Thank you. Great. We'll have that delivered to 123 Main Street, F.5 within 30 minutes. Your order will come to $17.99. We'll see you soon. Sounds good. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your meal. Goodbye. Bye.